Hello. You ready? Do you want me to start reading again? No. Hello. Hi. Hi. Do you want to read The Cat in the Hat? You want to read it? No? Maybe later? Hi. I love you. I love you. I love you. Handsome boy. Hi. Boop. Do you want to read? I love you. Hi. What did Daddy do? Oh. And then? Oh my goodness. And then he yelled at Bob? And then what did Bob do? Oh my goodness. And that wasn't it? That wasn't the end? And the doorbell rang? Oh my gosh. Yay! Oh. No. Does that mean hungry? You want some fried rice? Oh, no. Fried rice. No fried rice. Oh. I got it, just in case. Can you see him?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Where are you going? What happened? You got stuff. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you being sassy? Ready? Okay. There you are. Propped up again. Hello. Hello. Oop. Do you want to read The Cat in the Hat? No? Boop. Oh, he's biting me. I will.